Hi, this is Regling again, and I just got a package of Sherpa Fleece, and I'm going to be opening that up for you to see. I do most of my puppets with nylon fleece, Nyla fleece, or Antron fleece, Muppet fleece, whatever you want to call it. I do fur. I like working with fur. This is Sherpa Fleece. Now on the back side it's smooth, a little bit of pilling. On the front it's kind of like a Berber carpet. Now unlike fur, it doesn't really have a direction. So if I make it go that way, I can make it go this way. But the beautiful thing about this is going to hide seams naturally. This is just going to hide the seams so natural. I'm going to be using this on some animal puppets, dogs, cats, and I'm going to use it on animal puppets. And I'm just so excited about using the Sherpa Fleece for that purpose. That's kind of a navy green, blue green. This is more of a beige, another one. And you'll notice, let me show you this. This does have stretch, not this way, but this way. Just like regular Antron fleece or polar fleece that you're using, you're always going to want to check which way your stretch is running when you use Sherpa fleece, just as you would with polar fleece. And my last color I have here, I have two. This is nice. This is a gray. Again, it's got no stretch, gray. Nice little animal color. And green, which is not an animal color, but I'm pretty excited about it because these colors are going to allow me to do a few different characters. So I'm going to have some fun with this. My characters' colors. These will be more animalistic, more natural. These will be more cartoonish. I'm really not sure what I'm going to use the green for yet. I'm not even sure why I got the green. I'm sure at the time I placed the order, I had a pretty good idea. I did get this from Joann Fabrics. Pretty good price on it. So this is the Sherpa Fleece. And I'll be making some puppets and I'll be showing you the results of that work later on. But not on this video. So again, this is Regling. I appreciate you watching my videos. I hope this just introduced you to Sherpa Fleece, what it can do, what it's for. Thank you.